it has to be approved by the Executive Council, then there is serious procedural flaw. Mind you, friends, we have not yet jot down. See, once 110 Academic Council has actually discussed the relation, it is supposed to be minuted. He has not minuted it well. Then it has to be confirmed. Once it is confirmed in subsequent meeting, then only there will be rectification. Because it was not confirmed.
What with
Express our protest about the delay, I would say, or rather I would say to ignore the main demand that we have, which is the requisition of the Emergent Academic Council to discuss the inappropriate implementation of NEP at UG level in our affiliated colleges. The whole idea is to show that we as teachers body, we as students, we as stakeholders of Nehu, Pynlong, and we have a campus in Tura, we are all there to protect our rights as a university, our rights as members of Academic Council. The statutory provision of Academic Council cannot be ignored, and I have been harping it on his face several times. I have said that you can't undermine the importance or significance or the infringement on the rights of Academic Council. You can't do it. Whether you like it or you don't like my face, you don't like somebody else's face in Academic Council, but you have no choice but to follow the rule book. And rule book says it very, very clear that if members have requisition, if it is 1/3, because generally we need only 45 members, to be very frank. Our 110 meeting has 150 signatories, including people from Tura. Even if you add the new recruit, let's say another 40, I'm giving the higher side, it still comes to about 155. We had 100 signatures, almost 50% plus, basically, who have signed. So there's no way he can ignore it. And that's where, and not only that, I think he has not read. I have provided you with a copy which I will be providing. Even if you want to interpret it differently, the same which I will be giving you, which is your RA 5 clause 13, which speaks about this special meeting. If we carefully look at the point number 18, it says, and I'll just read so that we are very clear. The power of interpret, amend, repeal, or add to this rule shall vest in the Academic Council.